Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I did a makeup look. This was the makeup look. I should have filmed it, but I was just trying to get this video prepared for this Don't Rush challenge. So I was just showing you guys the Neutrogena wipes that I have, which do nothing for me. I'm just going to be honest. They're so dry. So I decided this time around I'm going to try something new, and that's coconut oil. I hear people talk about it all the time, but I've never tried it for myself. So I wanted to see if it really does work, or people just saying stuff. So, and the coconut oil I'm using is coconut oil that I had in my house already, pretty much. So yeah. And I was trying to get it on my hands because I heard like you shouldn't use the tip of the stuff and put it on your face because it might clog your pores. I don't know, that's what I heard. So I tried to put it on my hand. That's why I also cleaned my hands to make sure my hands were clean before I touched my face. So yeah, that was just a tip that I heard. I don't know how true it is, but every time I use a serum or anything on my face, that's what I do. You can see I'm starting to wipe off everything off my face. And to be honest, I think I'm going to start doing this more often, the coconut oil, because I had to use 2 wipes, but then again I had a lot of stuff on, so foundation, concealer, all that stuff. But I think I prefer to do the coconut oil because I feel like once I put it on, it really did help in removing the products pretty quicker. That is not even proper English. Quicker, so that I could take off this makeup, because I promise you, if I use those Neutrogena wipes that I show you guys, I would go through like 3 or 4 wipes and it still wouldn't be clean. So the thing with those wipes are they're dry and it's just like super annoying. And I'm not the only one who said that. Like, I've read other reviews. If you are a member of Influencer, if you don't know what Influencer is, it's basically like a free box service type of thing, but you have to take surveys and stuff. You don't get boxes every month. It's kind of chosen based on if they think that you're fit. You take a quiz and they'll tell you, but also on there you can review products that you've actually purchased. And yeah, a lot of people were saying that particular wipes did not work. They're dry, like I said, and it's like in order for it to work, you have to like go ahead and wet it, and even wetting it, it still felt like it wasn't doing the job. So are not my favorite wipes. I tried to like them. I still use them just to like use them, but yeah. So as you can see, my face is pretty much clean. Of course, I have to wash my face with soap, but for the most part, it got everything off, and that was with 2 wipes, and I'm satisfied with that, like I said, as opposed to using like 4 wipes. Thanks so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.